we'll guide you through how to activate your DaVinci Resolve license. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Once the program is open, go to the top menu and click on DaVinci Resolve next to the Apple logo if you're on a Mac, or simply File if you're using Windows. From the drop-down, select Easy DCP. A new window will appear prompting you to enter your activation key. This key is usually provided when you purchase DaVinci Resolve Studio. Enter your activation key in the provided field. Make sure you type it correctly, as it's case-sensitive. After entering the key, click on Activate, and the software will connect to the internet to verify your license. If you encounter any issues during activation, double-check your internet connection and ensure your firewall settings aren't blocking DaVinci Resolve. Once verified, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your license has been successfully activated. At this point, you can restart DaVinci Resolve to begin using the Studio features. Remember, each activation key allows for the software to be installed on 2 different machines, so if you need to activate it on another computer, just repeat these steps. If you ever need to deactivate a license, you can do so by selecting Deactivate License from the same menu, which is useful if you're switching computers. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.